Dear students, once again I welcome you. I hope you are ready again to continue with the electrostatics. विद्यार्थियों, आपका एक बार फिर स्वागत है। इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स को कंटिन्यू करते हैं और आप जानते हैं कि ये जो समय चल रहा है कोविड-19 का, एक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है अपने को ग्रो करने के लिए और इसके इम्पैक्ट को बीट करने के लिए एक एंथुजियाज्म की भी ज़रूरत है। तो हम मिलकर इस दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। रियली थैंक यू फॉर योर पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस फॉर माय वीडियोस। तो चलिए आज एक नया टॉपिक लेते हैं और टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं इसमें इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल ये वर्ड आ रहा है। अगर थोड़ा सा इस वर्ड को हम सेपरेट करके देखें, डायपोल, डाई मतलब दो, पोल मतलब पोलैरिटी, दो तरह की पोलैरिटी, डायपोल। और इलेक्ट्रिक मीन्स चार्ज। सो इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल एक वो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है जिसमें दो अपोजिट चार्जेस बट इक्वल चार्जेस कुछ स्मॉल डिस्टेंस पर रखे होते हैं और चार्जेस जो होते हैं वो पॉइंट चार्जेस होते हैं। तो देखें ये किस तरह का हो सकता है। ये नेगेटिव चार्ज है, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड सेम है और दोनों ही इस एक्सिस के ऊपर रखे हुए। ये पॉइंट जो है डायपोल का सेंटर होता है। दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ द डायपोल O, and line joining the position of the charges is called axis of the dipole. So this dotted line is the axis of the dipole. Now electric dipole, two poles, opposite charges. So configuration of electric dipole has two opposite unlike charges equal in magnitude and placed at some distance. So this is positive, this is negative. So as such, net charge is zero. Net charge is zero, but it doesn't mean that there is no electric field. We know this. Electric field lines originate from positive charge and terminate at negative charge. Electric field lines. But electric field line is not our topic. So net charge of this configuration is zero. But electric field surrounding to the dipole is not zero. At all point near in vicinity of this electric dipole, every point has some electric field intensity. Watch my earlier videos. I have cleared this thing, that how the direction of electric field is obtained by drawing the tangent at that point from where electric field line is passing. So keep on revising and watching my earlier videos also. So this configuration of two equal and unlike charges placed at some distance, suppose this distance is 2a. This configuration is called electric dipole. And this is the center of the dipole. Now we have to find electric field intensity on axis of the dipole. This is the axis of the dipole. Suppose we take one point here, this point is P, and this point is at r distance from the center of the dipole. So we have to find electric field intensity at point P. Suppose this is EP. Now see, this minus Q charge will produce electric field intensity at point P, and direction of this electric field will be right to left. Suppose this is E minus Q. Electric field intensity produced by minus Q charge at point P. At the same time, another charge plus Q will also produce electric field intensity at point P, and direction of electric field due to this plus Q charge will be in this direction. So this is E plus Q. So now see, we know electric field intensity is inversely proportional to the R square. So this minus Q is closer as compared to the plus Q. So therefore, this E minus Q will be greater than E plus Q. So now at point P, there are two electric field intensities opposite to each other. We can write net electric field intensity at point P is vector sum of this E minus Q and E plus Q. As you already know, this is the unit vector. P cap is the unit vector directed from minus charge towards plus charge along the axis. So let us find this E minus Q and E plus Q. We know electric field intensity due to point charge is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This is the formula. We will apply this formula in both the cases. So let us supply E minus Q. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q is common. Then what is left? 1 by R square. R means distance. Distance of P from minus Q will be R minus A. R minus A. If we write this A and B, so this distance is BP square. BP square. And P cap. Direction of E minus Q is along P cap plus E plus Q 1 by distance of point P from plus Q, that is A to P, AP square. AP square. And direction of P plus Q is opposite to P cap. So we take here minus P cap. I have already taken this common, this factor common, because in formula you know Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is common. So this is EP. Now let us solve it further. EP is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q in bracket 1 by BP square. What is BP? BP is OP minus OB, that is R minus A. R minus A whole square. We can take P cap common. P cap common. Here minus, plus minus will become minus. 1 by AP square. AP is AO plus OP, that is A plus R. So simply I can write R plus A whole square. EP is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. Let us take LCM. Now see, R minus A whole square into R plus A whole square, and cross multiply R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square. This is P cap. Now here, if we take R plus A as X, R minus A as Y, R plus A as X, R minus A as Y. So see here, X square minus Y square. So let us calculate EP. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q X square minus Y square, X plus Y, R plus A plus R minus A into X minus Y, R plus A minus R minus A means minus R plus A. In LCM, see, we have pair of R minus A, R plus A. So we can write it R square minus A square whole square. Here unit vector P cap. So students, I hope this is very much clear. Now see here, A gets cancelled. Here R gets cancelled. So we get EP is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2R 2A divided by R square minus A square P cap. Further, EP is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 R A divided by R square minus A square whole square P cap. This is electric field intensity at point P. The required formula. And direction of electric field intensity at point P is along P cap, that is in this direction. This is obvious. E minus Q is greater than E plus Q. So net electric field will be in this direction, that is along P cap, in this direction. This expression can also be written like this. One more style. EP is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 QA R divided by R square minus A square whole square P cap. So this is the electric field intensity at point P. Now I introduce one more concept here, that is point dipole. What is point dipole? Point dipole. In point dipole, R is much larger than A. This distance is very large as compared to 2A or A, you can say. It means this point is close to the infinity. In this case, this point is close to the dipole. But if I take this condition, this point is close to the infinity. Here infinity means not very far away. Infinity means the point where the electric field, due to this configuration, electric dipole vanishes. That point is infinity. So this point is close to that infinity. In that case, if we apply this condition, this becomes the case of point dipole. In this case, we can conclude that charges are very close to each other. So when charges are very close to each other, it means this A is very less. A can be neglected in the denominator, because if A is very much smaller than R, A square will be more smaller. So A square can be neglected. If we neglect A square, see what will happen? R square into square, what will happen? R square, R raised to 4, 1 R will be cancelled. We will have electric field at that point 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 q A divided by R q P cap. This is the formula. In this condition, if point P is very far away, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 q A divided by R q P cap. चलिए इसके और डीप में जाते हैं, और डेप्थ में जाते हैं. This formula can be rearranged like this: 4 pi epsilon naught 2qa into 2 divided by R cube P cap 2qa. This is another quantity. This is called electric dipole moment. So now I introduce new quantity, electric dipole moment. This is denoted by P, and this is a product of charge, one charge, and separation between the charges. Electric dipole is a vector quantity 2qa along P cap. So electric dipole moment is from minus charge to plus charge along the axis, and its unit is Coulomb meter. So now we have another quantity, that is electric dipole moment. We substitute here. This 2qa can be substituted like P. So if we substitute 2qa as P, electric field intensity at this point, which is very close to the infinity, will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube p cap. This is when r is much greater than a. If we substitute this in this expression, we will get one more formula for electric field intensity for point P. This point is close to the dipole. We can convert this formula in terms of P. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, separate 2qa, 2r divided by r square minus a square whole square p cap. So EP is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr. This is P, 2pr divided by r square minus a square whole square p cap. This formula is for this point which is close to the dipole, and this formula is for the point which is at very large distance from the dipole. So now think, as we move away from the dipole, how the electric field changes? Electric field is inversely proportional to the r cube. See? One more result. But in case of point charge, electric field intensity is inversely proportional to the r square. So in case of dipole, the fall in the electric field with distance is sharp as compared to the fall in the electric field intensity due to point charge. So variation of electric field intensity is large, change is large, inversely proportional to the r cube. So students, one more insight. See in this expression, this is electric field intensity at point which is far, very far away. This is one form and this is another form. Both are same. Just we have substituted the P in place of 2qa. These both are same. Now see in this qa. qa should be finite. So if this a, or you can say 2a, a means if we take it 2a, if 2a distance between the charges approaches to 0, distance between the charges approaches to 0. To keep this product finite, q must approach to infinity. See, very interesting comparison. We have to keep this qa finite in case of point dipole. What is the concept of point dipole? This is applicable for far points. Points are very far away. Or you can say distance between the charges is very less as compared to the distance of the point. Charges are very close. So if charges are placed at very small distance, 2a approaches to 0. When 2a, or you take it 2qa, so when distance approaches to 0, to keep this product finite, q must approach to infinity. So charges become very large as compared to the distance. This is the case of point dipole. So here I have discussed point dipole from two angles. when r is much larger than the A, this is point dipole. Another aspect is if charges are very close, placed very close, to keep this product finite, charge must approach to infinity. So magnitude of charge becomes very large when distance is reduced. So this is the concept of point dipole. So students, we have discussed point on this side. Let us discuss if point is on this side. Suppose this point is P dash. Let us discuss electric field intensity at this point. Now what will be the electric field intensity due to this plus Q? This will be in this direction, E plus Q. And electric field intensity due to minus Q charge in this direction. Now here see E plus Q is greater than E minus Q. But in this case, E minus Q is greater than E plus Q because of the distance. Now here plus Q charge is closer as compared to the minus Q charge. But in this case, minus Q charge is closer as compared to plus Q. So if we discuss point on this side, this is the situation. So what will be the net field? Net field will be difference of E plus Q minus Q, and you know this vector is larger as compared to this vector. So net of this E plus Q and E minus Q will be in this direction, and this will be electric field at point P dash. Now what is the direction of this? In this side. So whether you discuss point on this side or this side, direction doesn't change. Direction of electric field is from right side to left side. Right side to left side. Always along the axis. I draw this dipole again to explain you this thing more clearly. This is the axis. This is the axis. This is point P. And electric field is along this direction, along the axis. And on P dash, electric field is along the axis in this direction. So let us discuss electric field line. We know electric field line originate from positive charge. Suppose one electric field line originating, so and following this path and ends like this. So direction of electric field is always along the electric field line. So both concept valid each other. Both concepts support each other. So direction of electric field is along negative towards positive, that is along P cap. That is along P cap. P cap is from minus towards the plus. So students, this concept of electric dipole is very useful while discussing the behavior of substances in electric field. You know, there are two types of molecules, polar molecule and non-polar molecule. When these molecules are placed in electric field, they behave according to their nature. To study that behavior, we need this concept of electric dipole. I hope you have enjoyed, and your reaction is always welcome. So keep watching the channel, keep watching the lectures, and give your positive, valuable and valid feedback so that we can improve it further. Stay safe, stay at home, and take the benefit of this opportunity to explore more things, to grow. And thank you very much. God bless all.